Hello, hope you will find this pattern drafting tutorial helpful. So first, pin and trace your front body sloper on another paper. Mark the dart legs, mid-neck, and mid-shoulder. Push a pin through the dart point with a tailor's hand or folded fabric underneath the paper. Don't forget to transfer the notch. Draw lines from dart point to the dart legs. Do the same for the mid-shoulder and mid-neck. Measure 4 inches down from the front neckline and draw a line intersecting the mid-shoulder. We will eliminate the dart by turning it into princess seams. Draw a line about an inch on your bust point. Create a smooth line connecting your shoulder to the bust by using French curve. Trace back body sloper with the shoulder aligned to the front bodies. Mark the dart legs and push a pin through the dart point like what we did with front bodies. Draw lines from it to each dart legs. Measure 1.5 inches down from the back neckline and draw a line. Using French curve, connect the back and front neckline. Let's get back to the front bodies. On the new square neckline, measure 1/4 inch from the mid neckline. Draw a line from that mark to dart point. Before cutting the pattern, make sure to transfer the notches inside the pattern. Using the line on the dart point, place a notch. It's time to cut our pattern. Cut the line from the mid-neck to, but not through, the dart point, making a small dart. Close dart legs to help fit the hollow area above the bust. Redraw neckline and blend. Draw the grain lines. Make sure the princess seams on each side of the front bodice measures the same in between the notches where they should match. Then from the notch on the level of the dart point, measure 3 inches down and mark another notches. Cut the back bodice pattern. Draw grain line. Now get the sleeve slooper. I will be drafting a short puff sleeve, so I will fold it along the elbow line since I won't be needing the entire length of it. Trace the sleeve slooper and mark notches. Draw a line on the center and draw the hem. Transfer notches inside the pattern. From the sleeve's center, measure 2 inches and draw a cutting line. Fold it in the center and cut the line. Label the cat pieces. On a new paper, draw a line approximately 10 inches long. Then draw a perpendicular line above that line. Align the middle piece of the sleeve to these lines. Then measure how much fullness you want to add to your sleeve before pinning the remaining pieces into place. Measure 1.5 inches up from the cap and draw a line approximately 2 inches long on each side. Using French curve, redraw the sleeve cap to its new cap height and blend. Redraw and blend hem. You can add length on the hem if preferred. Get your front skirt sloper and trace on new paper. Add length to it if preferred. Square a line from center front through the side, intersecting the skirt's dart points. Draw lines from dart points to hemline, parallel to the center front. Label before cutting. On a new paper, square a line from the center front approximately 3 inches long. Align the part piece along the straight edge of the paper and pin. Using the line we drawn on the level of the dart points, spread the waist to the amount desired. Mine is 4 inches. For the hem, I am spreading it to 5 inches. Do the same for the remaining cut pieces of the skirt. Add the side seam using half of hemline space and draw a line to the waist, trimming the hip line. Make sure the center front is squared before blending the waistline to the side. Adjust the side length. It should be 1 inch shorter than the center front. Blend the hemline. Do the same in drafting the back skirt. Here is the illustration of how your pattern should look like once you have added seam allowances and gray lines. I really hope this video gives you an idea on how to manipulate loopers. See you in my next video. Bye!